In this series of videos, I'm going to talk about Scratch Programming 3.0. So before discussing about Scratch Programming, let me explain you what a program is. So for example, let's consider preparation of tea. So the ingredients required to make tea are milk, sugar, water, and tea powder. So first you have to boil the water. Next you have to add tea powder. And then you should add sugar to the boiling water. And at last you should add milk. And finally we have a cup of tea. To do any task, we do step-by-step process. In the similar way, computers also do the step-by-step process. We provide them a list of steps which are called program. So there are so many programming languages in this world. One of them is Scratch. Scratch is an easy block-based programming language for kids or beginners. So Scratch was founded at MIT. Now let's start programming in Scratch 3.0. First you have to search MIT Scratch. Once you go to the page, if you are first time user, you have to click join button. Then it will ask you a username. You have to enter the username. You also have to enter a password. Then you have to click next. Now you have to enter the country. Then you have to enter the date of birth. Next, you have to enter your gender. Here you have to enter your email ID. Then you have to click on Create Your Account button. It will send your link to the email. Now you have to go to the inbox and confirm the link. So now let me show you how to sign in. Now you have to click on the sign in button and enter the username and password which you have created. Now let me see the messages. When you click on Explore, you can see the list of projects. When I go to my stuff, it is empty because I haven't created any projects yet. Now let's create. Now you can see untitled. You can give any project name. My project name is My Program 1. Now let me check my project in my stuff. See here, my project is listed. If you want to delete the project, you have to click here. If you want to open the project, you have to click on the project name. It will come like this. If you want to see the code, you have to click on See Inside button. I haven't written any code yet, so it is empty. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.